Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region. Welcome back to my channel. So, I thought I was gonna do some planting yesterday, but my mom came over for dinner and I got home a little later than I had wanted. And my husband came home and, well, things got away from us and I wasn't able to do it. But today I am gonna be planting. So, sunlight is going down for me right now, so we gotta make this a quick one. So today I have gotten a discount Lowe's plant called the Athena Sun Cape Daisy, Europe's Athena Sun. So I thought I would just show you this right here. They get around 15 to 18 inches tall and wide. They are non-hardy, below 20 degrees, and they're beautiful. Hey, they bloom, it says here, spring, summer, and fall. Hey, we don't have much of a winter here, so it might even go all year, who knows? But I'm really looking forward to planting these, and it was a discount. So each plant was $4. I'm gonna be planting 2 today. The other one I'm gonna be planting is new to me as well, and I got this as one of my birthday plants from Pensacola Seed and Garden, and it is called Kangaroo Paw. So it is going to have a lot of spikes on it, and yeah, it is going to throw out these big flower stalks, but they say that the flower stalks can have hairs, and the hairs will help determine what color it is. But it's tubular in its form, and it can send out rhizomes. It likes sandy soil. It's native to Australia. I really feel like hopefully this plant is going to do well for me because lilies do great here. So I have a lot of sandy soil, so I probably won't be amending the soil as much as I am for the daisies. But yeah, let's go ahead and get those in the ground. So this is where I'm going to be planting the daisies. And then over here's where the kangaroo paw is going to be. I have all my orange and yellow roses in this area. So over here I have Proven Winners At Last, and then your Sonorita, and then we're not going to talk about that one there in the middle. She's probably going to move eventually, but she's pinkish, and there's some cross-pollination going on, but that's Princess DeMonico, Charlene DeMonico. And then I have another Senorita over here, and then over here I have another At Last. And then of course this is David Austin Golden Celebration. And then over here is the Country Parsons. And then I have 3 more on pre-order from Garden Roses LLC that I'm still waiting on, and they're gonna be in that same color category. So I think this is gonna be really pretty, especially with the pops of blue from like the salvia. And then I have some red lilies you can't see over here, but I'm liking all the different colors here. I think it's gonna be really pretty. found a bulb that I had planted when I did my Asiatic lilies. So it's still firm and it's got some good roots. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the ground too. That kangaroo paw looks amazing there. It may make a good foundation plant for the border that I have over here. Then those little pops of yellow with the blue are going to be amazing. I am so excited to see how those are going to do. All right, y'all, that's going to do me for today. I didn't even know if this video was going to be made. I worked a 10-hour day today at school. And it's 7 o'clock and I still have to make some cookies for one of my husband's co-workers' birthdays tomorrow. Yeah, so you know, might be a late night for me. Anyway, I think the next 2 videos that I'm gonna be doing, I have some bluebeard. Woo! I ordered those online last year and I've been overwintering them and they look amazing. They are ready to be planted. And I think I have some roses that I've propagated that need to find a home in my yard too. And then my second video is going to be garden tour. So we'll see if I can get the front and back in one garden tour that's maybe 20 minutes or less. But we'll have to see how that goes because I got a lot of plants. Until next time, I hope you're able to go out and make something beautiful in your world today. And until the next one, bye y'all.